Every journey of mango pulp begins where nature finishes its work.
Only fully matured mango fruit earns a place in industrial processing.
Quality begins with respect for the mango fruit itself. Defects are removed before the mango ever leaves the orchard. Harvest turns into logistics within minutes. Speed matters. Freshness defines the outcome.
Harvest meets transport at the source.
Every mango fruit must arrive intact.
Harvest approval marks the end of farming and the start of manufacturing.
Volume grows with precision. Every movement affects the final pulp.
Stability protects quality.
The journey begins immediately.
Fresh mango leaves the field. Transport discipline preserves mango quality.
Every entry is logged.
The mango fruit reaches the heart of processing.
Coordination ensures smooth mango handling.
Every mango follows a pre-planned route. The factory opens its intake. Human coordination meets mechanical precision. The mango fruit officially enters processing. The mango fruit now moves under controlled flow.
Clean handling protects mango purity.
Consistency starts at intake. Every mango fruit follows a mapped entry path. Only the best mango fruit proceeds. The mango fruit advances deeper inside. Mechanical washing reaches every curve. Final rinse prepares mango fruit for inspection.
Moisture is controlled before sorting.
The factory environment takes control. Clean mango fruit advances to judgment.
Automation enforces precision.
Grading defines pulp quality.
Only the best mango fruit remains.
Every mango fruit follows a mapped entry path. only the best mango fruit remains.
Technology confirms human decisions.
Every mango fruit is measured. The mango fruit is now ready for transformation. Alignment prepares the mango fruit for precision cutting. Steel replaces the knife. Speed replaces the hand. The mango seed exits the process.
Only mango flesh moves forward. This machine defines mango pulp.
Texture is engineered, not guessed. Uniform size ensures uniform pulp. Human oversight never disappears.
The mango fruit becomes pulp. Smoothness is refined here. Volume control stabilizes production. Data governs every mango batch. The mango pulp continues its journey.
Consistency is visible.
Stability comes from controlled heat.
Preparation for preservation begins.
The mango pulp is ready for its next transformation. Heat now secures the mango pulp's future. Precision replaces approximation. Temperature reshapes stability without touching flavor. The mango pulp is now microbiologically secure. Heat leaves, quality stays.
Thermal balance is restored.
Texture consistency is engineered here.
Ocean prevents separation.
Oxygen quietly exits the process.
Numbers confirm perfection. The mango pulp is now ready for automated precision. Here, mango pulp meets intelligent automation. Flow is divided with mathematical precision. Automation replaces manual judgment.
Human intelligence supervises machine speed.
Data drives every mango decision. Cleanliness waits in readiness. foreign risks are eliminated silently. Safety systems never sleep.
Texture is measured continuously. Balance keeps production smooth.
Machines move as one system.
Safety stands ready at every step.
Equal flow ensures equal quality. Automation still trusts human verification.
Machines inspect machines. Every batch leaves a digital trace. Automation hands control to precision. The mango pulp is ready for final refinement. Precision begins where automation slows down. Accuracy is set before a single fill. Weight confirms precision. Every seal is verified. Traceability travels with every unit. Identity meets consistency.
Finished units regroup.
Individual units become shipments.
Human trust still verifies machines.
Individual units become shipments.
Bulk identity is created.
Sampling ensures fairness.
Bulk identity is created.
Before release, quality must speak. Before release, mango pulp must prove itself. Before release, quality must speak.
Invisible risks are investigated here. Color confirms ripeness and care. Texture reveals processing accuracy. The seal tells the first story. Acidity guards safety.
Documentation completes accountability.
Time tests what eyes cannot see.
Every batch leaves a reference behind.
Acidity guards safety.
The mango pulp is cleared for market. Quality returns product to flow. The final stage awaits. Now mango pulp prepares for distribution. The mango pulp is cleared for market. Quality returns product to flow. Automation builds stability.
Quality grants permission to proceed.
Protection seals the shipment.
Each pallet becomes a single unit. Every mango pulp pallet is tracked. Human skill guides heavy precision.
Climate control protects quality.
Logistics turns stock into supply.
The shipment is cleared.
Protection seals the shipment.
Mango pulp is secured for transport.
And this is how modern factories produce mango pulp from start to finish.